The Quickfix system you know and love is now available to suit steel joists, not only timber. Using Ekodeck Plus is a great option if you want your surface clean of fasteners. It ticks the boxes for both DIYers and builders alike. Best of all, it's now designed for steel joists, which protects your deck against termites, white ants and mould. This system will require you to pre-drill your steel joist for a location hole, then attach the clips using screws designed for steel. In a few easy steps, we'll show you how the system works. To begin, check the thickness of the steel to determine the size of the drill bit needed to pre-drill the steel. If starting from a wall, position a C-clip on top of the steel joist, a minimum of 3mm from the wall, as shown. You may use a packer. Pre-drill the steel with a 3.5mm drill bit and pop rivet the C-clip in place. Do the same for the other end. Run a string line between the two pop rivets the entire length of your deck. Mark each joist, line up and install remaining C-clips. Gently push the first board into the C-clips at an angle. You can now begin fastening using clips. We recommend the use of a jig to hold the clips in place while you pre-drill the steel. Cutting a piece of Ekodeck Plus the width of your joist can be used as your jig. Insert one side of the locking clip into the groove of the board. Hold the other side in place using your jig as shown. Please note, only use one locking clip per board, which would usually go on the centre joist. Pre-drill using your predetermined drill bit size, then screw down slightly to hold the clip in place. Now you can insert a standard clip at each remaining joist, pre-drilling using the jig as shown. Screw down slightly to hold the clips in place. Work 3 boards at a time, or whatever you're comfortable with, and check that the boards are square. Now you can screw down the section. To finish, just repeat the same procedure until you've covered the whole area. It really is that simple. With new Quickfix to suit steel joists, the options are endless.